Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Amtrol Boilermate ER3 error code 2025, you're in the right place. This common issue on water heater systems can be frustrating, but it's often an easy fix that you can handle at home. Let's dive in and get your system running smoothly again. First off, what is this ER3 error 2025? It usually points to a problem with the temperature sensor or a communication glitch between the control board and the unit. This could be caused by a loose wire, a faulty sensor, or even just a simple reset need. Before we start, remember safety first. Always turn off the power to your boiler to avoid any electrical hazards. Step 1. Locate the power switch on your Amtrol Boilermate and shut it off. Give it a few minutes to cool down. This prevents any accidental burns. Next, open the access panel carefully. You'll want to inspect the wiring connections around the sensor. Look for any loose wires or corrosion. If you spot any, gently secure them or clean them with a dry cloth. Step 2. Once you've checked the connections, try resetting the system. This is like giving your boiler a fresh start. Turn the power back on and press the reset button if your model has one. Wait for the unit to boot up and see if the error clears. If it doesn't, we might need to go deeper. Step 3. Test the temperature sensor. You can use a multimeter to check for continuity. If it's faulty, you'll have to replace it. Don't worry, these are widely available online or at hardware stores. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation. Finally, after making any repairs, run a test cycle. Turn the boiler back on and monitor it for a few minutes. If the error persists, it might be time to call a professional technician. There you have it. A straightforward guide to fixing the Amtrol Boilermate ER3 error 2025. We hope this saves you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and keep your home running efficiently.